dying right now. Like.
Guys, this is the most excited I've been in ages for a shoot. I think it's like, woo! This year's Maya, good morning. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good morning guys, what is up? I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are happy, just enjoying life, smashing your projects. I'm here with Maya, it is her birthday, so we are gonna do a little beach shoot. And how old are we today?
I'm 41.
How are you 41? How are you 41? She looks amazing, seriously.
Hang on.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's us for today. How was the shoot? It was amazing.
It was amazing. It was cold, the water was wet.
We're back here, shoot number 2. Well, not number 2.
Oh yeah,
Attempt number 2.
Oh,
We back. I'm
okay,
recording
so
too.
2's a charm. We're gonna get this.
We're gonna get it, but look, it's looking good.
It's looking good. It's
Cupcake
that
kind of survived. He survived. Cupcake survived, guys.
it survived? Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's a little weird, but it
I'm
survived.
looking forward to eating this cupcake.
It's gonna be good. And we have another one, which is definitely like not Photoshop worth, but
I'll eat it anyway.
huh?
Oh!
Oh, 1 sec. Man, look at the light in there. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna get in there with you.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I can like,
yeah.
yeah.
Can I look at these? Just, I want to see what my hair is doing.
Oh my god, we got the sun!
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry.
No, no worries.
Wow, those ones were just more like tests.
Yeah, I'm just trying
There
to
you
see what I should do with my hair. It's just so... Okay.
Boom, vamos. Look at my outfit, guys. This is my outfit, huh?
The whole time. I want to film this.
You guys check out. This is my outfit. This way. We film it. We have to make do, but the light has just come, so. And a rainbow even. Look in there. There's a rainbow. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. Okay, give me some poses, yeah. Keep an eye on the bags too, yeah. Perfect.
What I could do is sit.
Amazing, yes.
I feel like I should go in the water then come out.
Okay, yes, do it. Then you're gonna be like wet. Get in there, girl! Get in there! Woo! Dive! Yes. Boom. Amazing. Looking this way and do something like this again. Oh yes, looking that way.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back.
Let's try some this way too. Yeah. So I'll go this way, yeah. And wait with the a double rainbow. I cannot believe the luck. Stay there. Woo! Stay there, perfect. Awesome. Stay like that. Nice. Stay there. Oh my god. How did we get a rainbow? Stay there. Let me get one here too. Oh no, come on. These are just way too good. Seriously, stay there. Is there a way to, can we bring the skirt up? Needs to be like my length. Oh, boom. And one like that. And something like this, hands all the way up. Oh yes, perfect. Ah yeah.
I am dying right now. Like,
So you guys, let me just tell you guys what's going on here. Today was forecast for rain. We tried to shoot this morning, it didn't work. Maya fell off her bike. Look, she was in the wars. It's her birthday, and but we made it. And look, we could not have asked for like a better set right now. So let's go a little bit closer to the water. Yeah. And oh yes, even like this, like kind of walking forward. Yes, like that. Yeah. Oh yes, yes, stay there. Oh, amazing! Stay there. Guys, this is the most excited I've been in ages for a shoot. I think it's like, woo! So let's sitting down, yeah?
okay.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. Yes, I love that. Yeah. Oh, even that looks cool. Stay there. That looks cool too. Just like legs like that. Yeah. Perfect. Yes.
It's so insignificant. We're getting it.
We love it. And guys, we also have.
Very thoughtful. It's almost like it's for the shoot and it's my birthday.
It is. Well, yeah. Otherwise, why would we get this? I mean, the sparklers or the cake. It's for your birthday, so yeah.
In front of there with the light.
Yeah. And this one, I feel like if you're just kind of, well, if you're in there and then just kind of like slowly walking, holding the cake while the flame is going.
I'm here for it. And it's not even windy.
And then the blowing shot, I'm gonna get you like this. Like I'm gonna be right in front of the video. Because we have 4 candles.
Okay.
This cupcake has gone all day. Shout out to the carver. No, actually no, because the box isn't good enough. But from that side, it's like a perfect cupcake.
You would never be the wiser.
But also, what a fun video as well. It's like, okay, well guys, I'm gonna check out here because I'm not gonna take the GoPro in the water anymore with the cupcake because we're gonna mainly get like videos. But take a look, we're looking good. I'm gonna show you guys the shots right after, and make sure you check out our reel as well. We're gonna post that. It's gonna be super cool.
Yes.
That we're
Thanks
making
to
here.
Brad.
I will leave Maya's details in the description as well, so you can check out her YouTube channel. And yes, say happy birthday. So
Thank you.
boom. Oh, actually, let's light it while we're on.
Who's your Brad? Just don't burn the GoPro.
We're good.
Here we are. Okay, we got it. We got
Amazing.
it.
For a surprise visit with the sparklers. It's Guy.
That's out of everything.
It's Guy Fawkes.